State your name and your prison number.
It took us maybe a year plus to put all of this together, but we started by putting together a team, a production team, a team in Gungul that would help us meet with the locals. We met up with some of the troupes, some of the few troupes who still practice Kwagh Hir till now. We met up with them and we had a meeting where we discussed and we told them what we were trying to do.
And our blessing, I think, I will not deny you. I'm giving you blessing. You can go ahead as much as you can.
Thank you. So, things started falling in place, and sometime in July, we got ourselves together and we started shooting the Kwagh Hir documentary. It's storytelling, pretty much. Kwagh Hir literally means something magical, and so it's almost like fantasy. And there were mediums where they would use to educate and inform Tiv people about life and current affairs, and it was entertainment, but it was also a way to pass on information. They would use things like animals or masquerades to depict stories and folklore, but in actual sense, those were things that told the Tiv story as we saw it, and told stories of things that affected the Tiv people in general using entertainment. So it's a great way to pass on the message, to pass on messages. It fostered a lot of camaraderie, brotherhood, and it really was the pride of the Tiv. And so I thought the importance, and so I thought because it was that important, we couldn't just sit back and watch it fade away. Perhaps in the next 10 to 15 years it might be completely forgotten. So I thought using video, documentary storytelling would be a great way to, write this history in the sands of time, so that anybody who's interested. I mean, now at least we have it on video, and so that was pretty much one of the main things that pushed us to get this idea to shoot Kwagh Hir documentary.